This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 320G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 7, refrigerator, awning, air conditioning, leveling jacks, slide-out, microwave, Skylight, LP detector, external shower, stovetop burner, and 110 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 320G is 12,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.